Gosh dang, finally pulled the truck out. This thing's looking sick. I wonder what Jace put under the hood.
Holy shit, you finally let me out.
Gosh.
I was trying to figure out how to J swap this thing, make me run in it, you know. Got my kickers for the tri-slide, but I'd have to lay off the potato chips a little bit to make that fast.
Looks like a Hemi's in here, CLS. A little bigger than usual.
Yeah.
Alright, what's going on with this truck?
Maybe be a big block, you know?
Yeah, big boy. Hop out of here. What's going on? What are we doing in this thing today?
We are going to not break the grill or the hood and watch me shatter my knees. That's what we're doing. But here's our 2005 Silverado. Single cab shortbed. You want to see that? I don't know if it's showing you.
Yeah, brother. Here you go. New build.
Pretty bad truck. Not gonna lie. I think it's one of the baddest in the neighborhood. Most people out there drive Priuses. But so what's done to the truck already? You can see in the back, C-notched. Put kit on it, so the axle's sitting backwards.
We'll show you all that later when we get whatever. It's low, you can see.
Yeah. The reason we have it out today is you go to the interior and it's pretty nasty in here. Nasty, you know. Old cloth seats. But they had a ratchet shifter in it, because you look over here on the column and there's no shifting device. So I think they put it there, put the hole for the linkage right there, bolted it all down. But I have this perfect center console.
And our perfect lawn. Check it out. Lawn ornaments. It's clean garage day.
I still can't figure out why the neighbors call the cops on me. I don't know. But we're going to be putting this center console in it. So today you're going to be watching me absolutely destroy this thing. You see this inside, it is just going to probably just get a Sawzall and start writing my name all over in it. Kind of try to cursive out. We've never really got good at it. We're gonna hurry and rip these seats out. It shouldn't be too hard. Rip them out. I'm telling you, just yank them. That's how they come out the easiest. But then we have this little Swift mounting piece. You just stick in it and then throw the center console in. Well, so we just got a new box. It's gonna be a pretty important box if we want to go anywhere. Look at that. B&M.
It's a box inside of a box. Come on, half monkey.
B&M put this in here like a freaking cheetah cake on crack.
Go.
Too superior packaging, man. This whole thing's folded in. Went with the hammerhead sifter. Oh man, this thing is a lot bigger than I thought it was. Alrighty, so we're here with our donor vehicle. It's a 2005 Escalade. Now, why this is going to be our donor vehicle is you pop the hood and it's got a Supercharged 6.0. Can't hear you off all that whining, but it's got a Supercharged 6.0 in it. Obviously it's a little rev happy, but so we're going to be ripping this thing out of it today now that it's nice and cooking for both the exhaust. But we're gonna be ripping it out and we're gonna get it all ready, get it prepped. So today's just gonna be destroying this Escalade. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so Alec and my dad have been working hard. They got this thing pulled out. As you can see, here's the race truck's motor, LQ9, 317 heads, the whole shebang. So we got it ripped out. We made a very large mess, but that's always okay. So let's get this thing home on the engine stand and start to clean it up.